Hi, this is Mark from embeddedpro, and I'm back with another series, and this time I'm looking at the GHz Crossover microcontroller from NXP. It's the MIMXRT1170 microcontroller. It's a dual-core controller with 2 megabytes of on-chip RAM, one Cortex M7 running at 1 gigahertz, and a Cortex M4 running at up to 400 megahertz. In this series, I'm going to look at what we can do with this level of performance from a gigahertz microcontroller, and we'll consider graphics, Wi-Fi connectivity, and security. I've just received this development board from NXP. It's the MIMXRT1170-EVK. Let me unbox it and show it to you. As always, there's a packing list. We have yet another USB micro cable. Thank you, NXP. And this time we have a power supply in the box. And this is quite a high performance board with a lot of high performance peripherals, and we need to run the board from a mains power supply. The power supply is a 20 watt 5 volt output DC power supply, and if you're outside of the US, you'll need to provide your own power cable for it. Also in the box is this camera module. The packing list says it's a 2592 by 1944 pixel or camera image sensor using Huawtian technology. Some of the cool features of the evaluation board, obviously that really high performance dual core architecture. Two USB ports, of course, a built-in debugger, and a connector for an external MIPI screen. But this microcontroller also supports 3 Ethernet ports, with 2 brought out onto the evaluation board. One is 100 megabit and the other one is 1 gigabit Ethernet. This MIPI screen that I'm opening just now is an accessory. It's a 5.5 inch 1280 by 720 pixel screen with a MIPI interface. That's a really beautiful, attractive display, and I'm going to be using that as soon as possible. I'm now going to be making some videos to show you what we can do with this evaluation board. So first up, next video is going to be getting started with graphics using this evaluation kit. I hope that you find these tutorials useful. So if you do, please share them with your friends. You can like this video and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come back next time and we'll be getting started with the MIMXRT1170-EVK and using that MIPI display.